Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by turning voice control on and preparing the language model. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control, enable the toggle. Once enabled, the phone may download a model, use Wi-Fi, and wait for progress to finish. Make sure your preferred language is selected and choose whether to allow Siri integration. This step gives you offline recognition and hands-free activation. Once done, you're ready to learn the core commands and how to operate apps with voice. Now customize commands so the system fits your workflow. Tap Customize Commands to inspect categories like navigation, editing, and shortcuts. Add new command, speak the phrase you want to use, then assign a system action, shortcut, or dictation control. Set whether it works globally or only in a specific app. Make sure to test each phrase aloud and adjust sensitivity if recognition fails. This tuning reduces false positives and lets you automate repetitive tasks. Finally, practice using voice control in real tasks. Say open mail, tap compose, scroll down, or dictate to enter text. Combine commands for multi-step flows. If voice control misrecognizes you, slow your pace, rephrase commands, or retrain problematic phrases in Customize Commands. Also check microphone access and background noise. Make sure offline recognition is enabled for reliability. If issues persist, restart voice control from Accessibility or reboot the iPhone. And as a last resort, reset custom commands and rebuild them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.